Hi, this is Chris Lopez from Mountain View, and I'm just going to take a look at how you can use Google Sites to create a place to present lessons for your students. So I have only begun to set up my reading for the first unit and the first section. And what I'm doing with that is giving a landing page, and in the landing page giving an opening, and then going through the different lessons that are included with the unit. Now for each of these lessons here, the lesson essential questions here, the skills that the students need to do are here, and then I broke those down into pages for each of those skills where I'm going to place all of my lessons. So these are still a work in progress, but looking at antonyms and how are words related, I have a space for the direct instruction, which I'm not finished with yet. I have one screencast, but I want a second screencast to give some examples. There's a place for the students to practice, and I've built in some Quizlets and a GIM kit that go along with this skill. And then what I still need to do is I need a Google form so that I can assess how students are learning. If I'm physically in the classroom, will I use every single part of this digitally? Not necessarily, but it's a place for it to all be. All of the things like the Quizlets and the GIM kits are things that students could access at home for extra practice, and because they're more enjoyable and engaging, they're there for them. And what I did was I broke down the different parts, and it has a learn, practice, assess, and then a place to just learn and practice these developing skills. And so I have that then for each skill that's going to be in this reading section, and going through and giving them screencast on here. And I'm going to build in places for the students to interact and to be able to have these online or digital assessments right here. So this is a way that you could use Google Sites.